You're gonna love the 2013 Buick Verano. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Take luxury with you on every drive in this beautifully appointed Verano. Upscale, whisper quiet, and feature-rich, this compact sedan is highly satisfying at an affordable price. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, remote engine start, 4-cylinder engine, blind spot monitor. Feel the joy that comes with luxury in this stylish Verano. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.